ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
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 गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
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 नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
ततो
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नाथप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवतेया
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
श्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी।
भक्तिनैष्टिकी।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 10, text number 34-35. Kuru Jangal Panchalan Shurasenan Sayamunan Brahmavarta Kurukshetram Matsyam Saraswatan Atha Marudhanvam Atikamya Sovirabhirayo Paran Anartan Bhargavo Vagach
Anartan Bhagavo
Pagat Shantavaho Manag Vibhu
Santvaho Madhvidhu Gurujagala Panchalam
Kuru Jangala Panchalan
Virasenan Sayamunan
Shurasenan Sayamunan
Ramavartam Kurukshetram
Brahmavartam Kurukshetram
Matyam Sarapatam Ataha
Hasyam Saraswatan Atha
Marudandam Atikramya
Marudhanvam Atikramya
Sovira Vidyopan
Sovira Bhirayo Paran
Nataran Bhagavopad Gat
Anartan Bhargavo Pagach
Saran Svatvaho Manad Vidhu
Shantavaho Manam Vibhu. Word by word. Kuru Jangala,
Vitu Jangala
the province of Delhi.
Samsara
Panchalan,
Patalam
part of the province Punjab.
Third province Punjab
Shurasenan,
Susenan
part of the province of Uttar Pradesh.
Fourth province Uttar
Sa
Pradesh
with Yamunan,
Yamunan
the district from the bank of the Yamuna.
This is the bank of Yamuna
Brahmavartam,
Ramavartaman
part of northern Uttar Pradesh.
Third province Uttar
Kurukshetram,
Kurukshetram
the place where the battle was fought.
place of the battle of fought
Matsyan,
Natyam
the province Matsya.
province Madhya
Saraswatan,
Saraswatan
part of Punjab.
third Punjab
Atha,
Tata
and so on.
and so on
Maru,
Maru
Rajasthan,
Rajasthan
the land of deserts.
Rajasthan
Dhanvam,
Gandham
Madhya Pradesh,
Madhya Pradesh
where water is very scanty.
What is this county
Atikramya,
Natikramya
after passing.
Atikasham
Suvira,
Sudhira
Saurashtra.
Srivastava
Abhiryo,
Pavayo
part of Gujarat.
Rajgujat
Paran,
Swan
western side.
Swatintai
Anartan,
Namatam
the province of Dwarka.
Upadhi Dwarka
Bhargava,
Sargava
O Shaunaka.
Osmanata
Upagat,
Ubhaga
overtaken by.
overtaken by
Shranta,
Santa
fatigue.
Sati
Vahaha,
Saha
the horses.
Savari
Manak Vibhuhu,
Anak Vidu
slightly
Slightly
because of the long journey.
Visualizing
Translation. O Shaunaka, the Lord then proceeded towards Kurujangala, Panchala, Shurasena, the land on the bank of the river Yamuna, Brahmavarta, Kurukshetra, Matsya, Saraswata, the province of the desert and the land of scanty water. After crossing these provinces, he gradually reached the Sauvira and Abhira provinces. Then west of these reached Dwarka at last. Purport. The provinces passed over by the Lord in those days were differently named, but the direction given is sufficient to indicate that he traveled through Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Saurashtra, and Gujarat, and at last reached his home province at Dwarka. We do not gain any profit simply by researching the analogous provinces of these days up to now, but it appears that the desert of Rajasthan and the province of scanty water like Madhya Pradesh were present even 5,000 years ago. The theory of soil experts that the desert developed in recent years is not supported by the statements of Bhagavatam. We may leave the matter for expert geologists to research because the changing universe has different phases of geological development. We are satisfied that the Lord has now reached his own province, Dwarka Dham, from the Kuru provinces. Kurukshetra continues to exist since the Vedic age, and it is sheer foolishness when interpreters ignore or deny the existence of Kurukshetra. We take 36 also. Tatra tatraha tatraya Hari pratyudyatarahanaha सायां भेजे दिशं पाश्चात्
Ayurveda Sankasa
गविष्ठो गाम गतस्तदा.
Yadisya Sankasa Sudha.
On his journey through these provinces, he was welcomed, worshipped, and given various presentations. In the evening, in all places, the Lord suspended his journey to perform evening rites. This was regularly observed after sunset. Purport. It is said here that the Lord observed the religious principles regularly while he was on the journey. There are certain philosophical speculations that even the Lord is under the obligations of spiritual action. But actually, this is not the case. He does not depend on the action of any good or bad work. Since the Lord is absolute, everything done by him is good for everyone. But when he descends on earth, he acts for the protection of the devotees and for the annihilation of the impious non-devotees. Although he has no obligatory duty, still he does everything so that others may follow. That is the way of factual teaching. One must act properly himself and teach the same to others. Otherwise, no one will accept one's blind teaching. He is himself the awarder of future results. He is self-sufficient, and yet he acts according to the rulings of the revealed scripture in order to teach us the process. If he does not do so, the common man may go wrong. But in the advanced stage, when one can understand the transcendental nature of the Lord, one does not try to imitate him. This is not possible. The Lord in human society does what is the duty of everyone, but sometimes he does something extraordinary and not to be imitated by the living being. His acts of evening prayer, as stated herein, must be followed by the living being. But it is not possible to follow his mountain lifting or dancing with the gopis. One cannot imitate the sun, which can exhaust water even from a filthy place. The most powerful can do something which is all good, but our imitation of such acts will put us into endless difficulty. Therefore, in all actions, the experienced guide, the spiritual master, who is the manifested mercy of the Lord, should always be consulted, and the path of progress will be assured. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। कुरु जांगल पांचालान शूरसेनान दयामुनान् ब्रह्मावर्तं कुरुक्षेत्रं मत्स्यान् सारस्वतान् अथा। मरुधन्वम् अतिक्रम्य सौवीराभिरयो परान् आनर्तान् भार्गवोपागात् शान्तवाहो मनाग्भिर्विभुः। O Shaunaka, the Lord then proceeded towards Kuru Jangala, Panchala, Shurasena, the land on the bank of the river Yamuna, Brahmavarta, Kurukshetra, Matsya, Saraswata, the province of the desert and the land of scanty water. After crossing these provinces, he gradually reached the Sauvira and Avira provinces, then west of these reached Dwarka at last. Tatra tatra tatraitya hari pratyudyatarha sayam beje disham paschat gavishto gam gatastada. On his journey through these provinces, he was welcomed, worshipped, and given various presentations. In the evening, in all places, the Lord suspended his journey to perform evening rites. This was regularly observed after sunset. So you can see the Lord reached from Indraprastha to Dwarka. So Bhagavatam is giving so many details, He could have just said he went from here to there. But it's talking of so many provinces which existed in the past. Now they have been reorganized, many things. Like Punjab, when we say Punjab was different earlier than now. Every state in India was different, They reorganized, especially in 1956, as per the languages spoken. After they did a messy job of that, because sometimes even that is not true. Some people speaking different language are put in some different states like that. Anyway, the point is that Srila Prabhupada explains that we should not get confused. Where is Punjab? Why he has to go up north and then come down? All that. That's not so. So he traveled, but the main point here in this purport of 36 is that he was carrying out his night duty, rituals, whatever rites he has to do. Tatra tatra hatya. Different places. First of all, what is said here is that he was received by the local people, because the Lord is going through their villages, their towns. And then they were giving him a lot of gifts and presents, etc. Pratyudyataharanaha, being offered presentations. And then in the evening, he will Paschat means eastern. He will face east, generally, I remember our Guru Maharaj, even when he travels, he carries the compass, in the evening when he has to sleep, he will insist on his head being in the east direction. So that's how it should be. All the main people in the house should have their head in the east when they are sleeping. So much so that when he had his, he used, of course now his health is not permitting, but he used to go to Bangladesh for almost a month or so, and he would stay in his van only. Van, yeah. He'll stay in the van. And then in the van he will make sure that the van is turned in the night in such a way that he faces, his head is the east. So,
east or west?
east.
Just east?
West is next, like if you don't have east available, then west like that. And then last is south. Especially for the children of the house, they should be put in the south. No, never north. The north has a magnet, and we also have a magnet in our head. So the positive repel. That's why people sleeping in the north, they get nightmares and different problems, psychological problems. This information is not available to the Western people, unfortunately. And that's why you see so many problems. And in India, they are not following it, so they are also in problems. So the point is that Lord was following all this just to teach us, that we must do our night rituals. Like, evening they will have Agnihotra. Just before the sunset, they will have Agnihotra Yajna. And the night they will chant some prayers. There are some nice prayers for the night. And another thing which is here is that they will travel whole day, and in the evening, by sunset you retire. Don't travel in night, because of course that time there was no such thing as, I don't know, maybe, there are no street lights definitely all the way, and no headlights or thing like that, for the vehicle, for the rust and all. So they must be having the mashal, torchlight. Torchlight. So it's important, and that's what Prabhupada says. That doesn't mean that Krishna is also required to do all this. He says in many times in Bhagavad Gita that even the great people, great Mahajans, Acharyas, they do it for teaching others. So most of the time you do, by your own example. And that's what is important, that somebody who is preaching, trying to preach, should not preach out of his own capacity. Like he is not himself following it and then trying to tell everybody else that you do that. Then that preaching will have no effect, because people see through. I remember one point, my father, he started nicely, Krishna consciousness, and suddenly he stopped. Because, he would be listening to so many lectures or some katha in the TV, some channel, where they show this person, that person, like some of them not even bona fide, like that. Anybody comes and starts blabbering. So he saw that, and one day he was not chanting, and I said, "What happened today? You're not chanting?" And he says, "I don't want to chant." I said, "Why?" He says, "Look at those people. They are telling about chanting, but look at themselves. They're not following that, because some of them were known. Their history was known. So he says, why should I chant? I will also become like that."
He's saying like people understand.
No, he generally made a comment, like this. That's one thing, he was listening to everything. Then I told him, this is the problem, because you are just listening to everything. Everybody sitting there is not a sadhu. They just got some channel, and they are, they get paid sometimes. So the thing is that, that sometimes because of this kind of thing, our motivation goes. When we see something wrong, like we start thinking, why should I do it? So that's why I get these kind of letters every day. Every day I'm getting now. People are asking these same questions. I'm in trouble. My family is trouble. We are not going to worship. What is the use of chanting? People have not even tried to understand what is the meaning of chanting. Why we should be chanting? They think that just by chanting now God is under our control, or now so He should be able to do everything. Yeah, not only auto supplier, your pain remover, painkiller. Yes, stress remover, everything. And then the house should be full of money. Nobody has to worry about it. Nobody should die in the family. Basically, they should not die at a young age or something like that. Because how can somebody die at a young age when that person is a devotee? People ask this question. So the answer is that I generally give only one answer, that your number of deaths are limited. So that moment the quota is over, you're out, no matter in what situation you are. And that's how you die in accident. Like accident, you have not done anything. You're not sick, you are not anything. And suddenly you are there and you are not there. So the quota has suddenly ended. That's all, as simple as that. There is no other. So we have come to the end of this wonderful chapter. Now this was like departure from Hastinapur to Dwarka, and now next chapter will be how he was received in Dwarka. Just Dwarka and what happened. Wonderful again. How the two contrasts. One place is going, so everybody is in sad mood, separation. Another place is coming after a long period. So their expectations, their aspirations, the whole mood is different. I'd like to stop here. Thank you very much. Any questions, comments?
You think that one should increase beyond capacity? Does that mean that whoever things that increase the consequence, they shouldn't do further, or like?
No, I mean, when I say that, that means what they are not practicing themselves. That's what I mean by that.
Oh, you mean they shouldn't preach what they're not practicing? I got it.
Yeah. Like, tell everybody, oh, you must do 16 rounds, and then
Because I was thinking,
then pretension. Yeah.
I think there's God has given us so many instructions and rules to follow, and maybe a lot of us that aren't so advanced or pure, it's hard for us to follow all that. And what speak of what the Vedas give us, there's so many rules and regulations. And the Prabhupada once made a comment. The Prabhupada, why so many rules and regulations? And he said, well, actually, I'll tell you all the rules and regulations you can. So I was thinking in the sense that there's so many instructions Prabhupada gives, and it's not because we're so conditioned, it's hard for us to follow all that. So in that sense, obviously, if he wants to preach that, I guess we are limited to what we can follow as far as instructions follow.
Yeah, we can say that this is what the scriptures say. Don't let it come out that as if I am saying that. This is what the rules are. Now you want to follow, to give them a choice.
Yeah.
Unless you are a spiritual master. Spiritual master doesn't give a choice, he will expect you to do it.
Yeah.
But again, then of course, spiritual master in good standing only can do that.
You generally fall anyway. You fall an expert.
Exactly.
You have to use that.
Okay. And not only that, there is another thing is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has ordered us to speak about Krishna. Speaking about Krishna is different than instructing somebody. Right? You can have a katha, but you can't have a discourse. See the difference? Katha, we are just simply repeating what is there. In discourse, we are telling. Do this, do this, do this.
Yeah.
So we should, that's what I am trying to say, that those who are not qualified, like us, we shouldn't be talking too much about do's and don'ts. Just present it as it is, not coming from you,
Yeah.
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 If you are repeating katha,